Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this opportunity, let me tell you about a tutorial about making an AI or artificial intelligence in a game. It's Scratch. So Scratch is a platform for making a game, a software for making a game, a website for making a game, and this time I will make a shooting game. So character can shoot, and we're going to make the enemy, which is an AI. So how to make it? So first, we are going to make the player's coding first. So it's like this. Okay, we need to show it. So it's like this. We already make the player can shoot, and the player will also cannot walk through walls. And now we're going to make the coding of the AI, so the AI can walk and also shoot. So first, because this game only just need to get clicked when green flag, click it. So we only need to put green flag and then show this AI. And because the size of our player is 50, we're going to change the size to 50. So the size is same. Now we're going to make the coding. So first, we're going to make the AI going here. So how to do it? We need to use go to X. After that, we need forever, and then we're going to add move, and then we're going to add another one, which is pick, which is pick move. Wait, oh no, point direction. So we need to take point direction and then change it to pick random, and the pick random is minus 180 and 180. So the character will go like this, and it's still glitching. And oh yeah, for making the character more better, you need to make the location turn like this. So the character is still glitching like this. Now we are going to add a repeat button. The repeat. So we're going to put the operator and then put pick random. Okay. And then make it to 50 and then 50. 15. And inside the 15, we're going to add move. Nah, it's more smooth and more better. And we're going to change it to 5. So move 5. It's more better, not glitching like before. And yeah, and after that, we need to add a set rotation and change the set rotation to all around. Before that, we are going to change the custom first, because this is the custom when the AI will shoot. So change it to custom 1. So it will be like this. So the AI will move and it's not glitching again. Now, after that, you can see the player will not go through the wall, but the AI is still going through the wall. So we are going to add if then, and then add touching. So if no, not if touching, if touching color. So we're going to use this color. So if touching this color, then we need to put motion and then make it to -5. So it won't go through the wall. It will go through the wall, but it's still glitching. So maybe we should change the move to 3. So it's too slow. And now we're going to make the character, the AI can shoot. So we're going to add another sprite. It's called sight. And we're going to use this white circle, this long white circle, and change the size to 50. Wait, it's changing to 50, but it's still big, so we're going to shrink it again. So make sure it's good for the character. Now this sprite coding is easy. So we're going to add this green flag and then show. And then we're going to make it go to not random position but go to player. Then we're going to add forever so that the character will go to the player. And then we're going to set the ghost to 50 so that it's a little bit blurry so that we can see the player. Then we're going to change the, oh yeah, we're going to add go to, but this one is not go to front but go to back, so that it will be like this. And if you can see, if we move it, it will follows the character. So now we're going to make that this, if this AI touches this site, change the name first so it's not too hard. So if the AI touch the site, we will make the AI can shoot. So what I'm going to do is we are going to duplicate it, and then we're going to make a coding in the AI. So the coding is, if touching site, we are going to make the AI point towards the player, and then we'll make switch custom to custom 2, and then we're going to add a delay so that it's not spamming, and then we're going to add the switch custom to the normal one, so it's like shooting and then reloading, shooting, reloading, and shooting, reloading. So we're going to add inside the control, we're going to add create clone. Now the create clone is not myself but sprite 3 or the ammo for the AI. Ammo AI. So in the ammo AI, we're just going to change a little bit of coding. Like for going to player, we'll change it to AI, and then change to point direction. And if then the repeat until, we're just going to change it to player. So now I want to try to play it. So the AI is shooting. Okay, so we're going to need a more bigger sight because we cannot see the AI shooting. So if it's more bigger, it's more better. See, the AI is shooting because, and then we can see that there's this glitching things, and so we're going to make the position not over here. We're going to hide it, but we're going to hide it over here, a little hiding spot. Okay, and then make the coding like this, same as the sprite, this one. So if the AI shoots, we can also shoot the AI. So it's like a PvP battle. So let's try to play it. The AI is shooting us, but and then it's just a simple coding, so it's easy to do. And I think this is just so good. So and then the next step is that we're going to add the health for the AI. So we're going to go to AI, and then we're going to make a variable, namely AI. So and then in this one, we set the green flag, the AI, to 50, maybe no, 15, and then we're going to make a coding. If touching sprite 2, change variable AI to -1, and then we're going to add another one, and don't forget to add a delay so it's not making the AI more faster to die. And then we're going to add if AI, variable AI more smaller than 1, that means the AI will be gone, and that means we win. Now we're also going to copy the coding to the player, and we're going to add this coding in here. If touching ammo AI, And because the variable is AI, we're going to make a variable named health. So health, like this. Set the health to 15, and then change everything that is AI to health. So it will make, if we die, it will make the our health will gone. So we're going to put it over here and put it over here. So let's try it. So we can see we can walk and we can shoot. And if you can see, the AI will lose his health if we shoot it. And like us, we will also will lose our health if we got shooted by the AI. So it's a simple coding, an easy coding, and it's an easy coding for making an AI. This is my tips. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I'm sorry for my mistakes and behave in the video and some mistake in my laptop and my voice. The last word I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.